Welcome to the MERTS instructional video on adding new, modifying, or deleting names. All names in the MERTS software must be entered into the Names tab. Common examples include individuals, committees, vendors, candidates, ballot proposals, and financial institutions. To enter a new name, make sure the Names tab is active. Prompting a new name information window can be done by selecting the new item icon on the toolbar or by right-clicking and selecting New from the submenu. Once the name information window is open, enter the last name or business name. Enter the first name if it applies. The type should be identified for each name record created. Next, enter the complete mailing address. If the individual has contributed $100.01 or more, their occupation and employer information is required. To enter the employer, select Add New Name. A new name information window will appear. Enter the employer name. The type will default to Other Entity. Enter the address information. Select OK to save and exit the entry window. This will return you to the name information window. You will now see the name of the employer listed. Enter the occupation in the occupation field. Select OK to save and exit the entry window. For individuals who are retired, a homemaker, or students, an NA record can be created. For example, let's add a new name. Add NA as the last name / business field. Make sure the type is Other Entity. Use NA in the address field. Next, enter zeros in for the zip code. Select OK to save and exit the entry window. To modify a name entry, be sure the Names tab is active. Highlight the name you wish to modify. Select the Modify Item icon from the toolbar, or right-click on the name and select Modify from the submenu. Once the name information window is open, make the corrections. Select OK to save and exit. A verification window will appear asking if you are sure you would like to modify or amend the selected object. Select Yes to continue or No to cancel. To delete a name, be sure the Names tab is active. Highlight the name you wish to delete. Select the Delete Item icon from the toolbar, or right-click on the name and select Delete from the submenu. A verification window will appear asking if you are sure you would like to delete the selected object. Select Yes to continue or No to cancel. Please note the software will not delete name records associated to a transaction or report. Be sure to save and back up the committee MERTS file each day. For additional assistance, visit the MERTS website at www.mertsplus.com. Thank you.